Hello everyone, today I shall discuss exercise 5.3 question number 5. If you have a spinning wheel with 3 green sectors, 1 blue sector and 1 red sector, what is the probability of getting a green sector? What is the probability of getting a non-blue sector? Let us find. Here you see, here you see total number of sectors, total number of sectors, total number of sectors. Total number of sectors is equal to 3 green sector plus 1 blue sector plus red sector. 3 plus 1 plus 1. 3 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 3 plus 1 plus 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Total sector is 5. What is the probability of getting a green sector? There are total there are total 5 sectors. There are total 5 sectors. There are total 5 sectors. And there are total 5 sectors. And we can get a green sector, 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 a green sector in 3 cases, in 3 cases, 3 cases, right? Therefore, the probability of getting a green sector, therefore probability of getting a green sector, is equal to 3 by 5, 3 by 5, right? Now what is the probability of getting a non-blue sector? Right? Getting a non-blue sector, right? Non-blue sectors is equal to 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. Therefore probability of getting a non-blue sector, non-blue sector is equal to 4 by 5. 4 by 5. That is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.